My name is Pushpa.
My name is Likita.
We are from Gate 8. Today we are presenting the Science Koushal Bodh activity. Our activity is cooking without fire. We had a concept about the fat. Advantage of fat.
It gives energy to the body. It helps.
This is the team Rabindranath Tagore participating in the cooking without fire, consisting of the menu mango shake, banana shake, dry fruits balls and Oreo cake. Nutrients, and this is also from the natural carbohydrates.
Today our topic is proteins. In that concept, sprout, salad and milkshake. Proteins are a large complex macromolecules essential for all life. In that green
My name is Shreyas. I am from grade 8B. I am explaining about vitamins. Vitamins are organic nutrients which is required for our body in small amount for normal growth and provide functioning. There are two types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins and
Today we are participating in the Science Koushal Bodh activity, and our topic is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the nutrients which are needed for our body in a large amount. For example, the milkshake contains a sugar which is a glucose and it gives energy for us. We can compare carbohydrate and
We are participating in the science activity. Our topic is fats.
We have used the ingredients of puffed rice mixture, carrot, tomato, onion, coriander.